How you doing there, YouTube? This is Kevin coming at you. I'm gonna do one more last cold start on the '83 Firebird. I know some of you guys like cold starts, but I'm gonna do one more cold start before it leaves. It's gonna be leaving today or tomorrow. It's been sitting outside, all night, so it's probably about 7:50 in the morning. So I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start on it. Give it a nice little walk around one more time. Man, my garage smells like a stinking skunk. Skunk was in it the other night and sprayed. Man, stinks. Alright, let's jump in it. Whoops, sorry about my fingers in the way, YouTube. Wicked cold-blooded. In the summertime, you don't even have to touch the gas pedal. She'd fire it up. There we go. Check engine light on. Oh, it has been on since we changed the motor. It's the most common things in the Camaros and these newer Firebirds. All right. Feels like it's gonna be a nice cool day out here in Maine. Alright, she's sitting there running. Alright, YouTube's short video, so don't forget to smash that like button and share and subscribe. And you all folks have a great day.